What is up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to WP Workshop. What I want to show you today is how you can add custom CSS to WordPress the easiest way possible. And I'm recording this video because adding custom CSS to WordPress has become really easy in the last couple of weeks. That's because this feature is now available in the newest version of WordPress, WordPress 7. And I know there are tons of more interesting, more noteworthy features added to WordPress, but I just wanted to record this quick video as a quick PSA just to show you that something that used to require plugins can now just be done, in the native version of WordPress. So let me just show you real quick. So what I'm running here is the newest version of WordPress 7.0, and if I want to add some custom CSS to my posts, to my pages, all I do is basically go to whatever post, and then right here in the sidebar in the advanced section you will find a totally new block that says additional CSS. And this basically is where you can add your customizations. So what to add in here specifically? So one thing that's quite original is that the only thing you add in here are the declarations. So for example, if I want to customize this very first paragraph in here, I would just, click on it and then go into block, into additional CSS. And if I want to change, the color of it, I would just write color red. And that is basically it. This is all that's needed to make this happen. So you will notice that I didn't place any selector in here, like, something like that, because that would just complicate everything. So all I'm doing is just using the declarations themselves. But what if I want to adjust something that just happens to be a nested element under the one that I'm editing right now? So for example, the second paragraph, it does feature a link. So if I want to style that link, all I need to do is something like that. So I will use the ampersand character and then use the selector that I want to customize and then just enter my declaration. Again, color red, and my link has just become red. And this is basically it. It's really simple. It's much simpler than what you had to do in the previous versions of WordPress, because that is traditionally something, custom CSS is traditionally something that third-party plugins handled. But okay, so this is kind of a inline CSS, meaning it only affects the block that you select in here. So what if you want to add some custom CSS to act more globally? So for that, there are two paths that are available. So first off, you can go into Editor, Styles, and Additional CSS. And this is the global control for custom CSS, whatever custom CSS that you want to add to your site. However, in that one, of course, you are going to be using selectors. So just like that, I've made all the paragraphs red. Cool, so that is block themes. But what if you are on a classic theme? So here's another website just to show you. So on that one, I am using Neve, very cool theme. You should check it out, but it is a classic theme. So classic themes still have this section called the Customizer. So once you are here, you can go into additional CSS, and just like before, you can enter your additional CSS in this box. So let me just show you that in action. So again, just doing something like that will change the paragraphs globally. But you know what? I think I have something more original I could add in here. So let's go to Hoverly and let's try creating some interesting link effects. So I think I'm gonna go with background fill. This is too much, so what I'm gonna do is make this color a bit lighter, maybe like so, and I think I like it. I don't need any headline effects. Let's grab the CSS, and just like that I can copy and paste it in here, and I've just made my links much more interesting. So this is just an example, a quick example of what you can do with custom CSS in WordPress. Again, don't miss out on the new features. WordPress 7.0 is a very interesting release. Go and check it out, and custom CSS is just one of the many cool things in it. So that is it. Let me know what you think. I'm Karol. You can find me at wpwork.shop, and see you next time.